Good morning everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel and blessed Christmas season to all of you. Today I'm just going to reshare one of my older videos that was made the year before last about how to make a walnut fudge for Christmas. I'm not making anything much this year because I'm alone at home. So I'm just trying to share all my old videos again, which will bring back memories for all of you. I'm sure you'll enjoy making it for Christmas. It's a very easy recipe, and yes, it's a very easy recipe. I'm sure you'll be able to make it on your own and enjoy it as one of the sweets on your Christmas platter this year. Take care and enjoy watching the video. Thank you. God bless. So these are the ingredients. What we need is condensed milk, sugar, butter, chopped walnuts, vanilla essence, and of course butter. So we'll start by pouring the milk into the saucepan, and we're going to add in the sugar and begin heating so that the sugar melts with the milk. So mix well. Now you can add the condensed milk, 1 whole can. Again mix well. And keep cooking till it reduces a little bit. So you cook on low heat, stirring all the time. You can see it bubbling, and once it comes to a nice bubble, we can mix in the butter. Again keep stirring. Don't stop stirring, you just have to go on stirring. So you can add the vanilla essence as well. Now add in the walnuts and continue to cook on low heat. You will see that the mixture is thickening well. Add the walnuts, keep stirring as I said, and cook till the mixture thickens, stirring all the time. And then as it leaves the sides of the pan, you'll see that it starts bubbling and thickening, and it will start leaving the sides of the pan. Now once it starts leaving the sides of the pan, you get a greased plate ready, and once it forms a sort of a very thick mass, pour onto the greased plates. Smoothen it well and just leave it aside to cool. It's quite an easy recipe and finishes quite fast. You can just smoothen the top, let it cool, and when it's slightly cool, we can cut it into squares or diamonds or whatever shape you want when it's still a little warm. So your walnut fudge is ready. Please like and share this if you liked my video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.